Hello nurses. Welcome to Nurses Corner. Today, I'm breaking down the steps to get endorsed with the Illinois Board of Nursing for nurses educated or practicing out of the United States. First up, complete these forms. The application for licensure and/or examination form, the healthcare workers additional personal history questions form, PHQ, the temporary permit form, TP-NUR, and the completed identity verification certifying statement form, OOSFP. Once filled out, mail them to the Springfield Office of the Illinois Department of Financial and Professional Regulation. The address is shown on the screen. Next, complete the Social Security number affidavit form and mail it to the Springfield office. Then request your Credentials Evaluation Service, CES report to be sent to the Illinois Board of Nursing from the Commission on Graduates of Foreign Nursing Schools, CGFNS, or the Educational Records Evaluation Service, ERS, or Joseph Silney and Associates. You'll also need your records of license or licenses sent electronically to the Illinois Board of Nursing from Nurses, or from your original licensing board by completing and mailing the Verification by Licensing Agency, or Board Form, CT-NUR. Now, about the payment. Make a payment of $75 for your endorsement of license and temporary permit by using the online payment portal at the address on screen. Lastly, there's the fingerprinting process, which I'll cover in my next video. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time. Please see video description for associated links.